pistachio green and cream colored fabric bundle. There are 5 pieces total, each cut 8 by 10 inches. There are heavy textures and lighter textures. This bundle is slow stitching friendly. You will find the following pieces in this bundle: a cream colored coarse weave upholstery fabric. This looks like the African mud cloth. If you ever seen the undyed version, this is what this mimics. It is uncoated on the back, so it is slow stitching friendly. This is a silk blend in a muted pistachio green colored. It is a very lightweight fabric. Looks the same on the front and on the back. So it will also be perfect for slow stitching. And I will be going over the rest of these bundles next week in a full reveal at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Be sure to join me then. There are more bundles on my channel.